Okay, guys, so since the dawn of One UI, Samsung has made it very difficult for you to use unknown fonts or fonts outside the Galaxy Store. And it makes a whole lot of sense. They are trying to, help developers earn some money. But then on the other side, some of these fonts were already free and they are not on the Galaxy Store. So how do you get access to them? It becomes a problem. We had a simple method of backup and restore. You could use a backup and restore method. Then you could set any font as your system-wide font. But there is this application I want to introduce you guys to. It's pretty easy, less tedious, and it's also on the Play Store. So let's head into our Play Store and search for Z font. So this is it. You don't need any root, and it's pretty simple. After installing it, you open it, and you are greeted by so many fonts. I think there are way over 200, and you know you can. I know most definitely you find a font of your choice. Um, I was very surprised when I found my favorite font here, Bohos, and that is what I'm using currently. So, um, if I'm to head into my settings to make it very visible, you'd see it. So, inside the application, you just need to download whichever font you want, then you install it. It's pretty simple. So after you are done installing it, you can head back into your settings, go to display, go to fonts, and um when you go to, you see all the fonts you downloaded from the Z font app. So you can set any of your choice, any font of your choice. It's possible. You don't have to do anything extra. So that's about it. That's how easy it looks. Thank you so much for listening, and catch you another time.